Now let's discuss that even if without drawing the graph of the linear equation, can we decide that from what point that it will touch or intersect y-axis and x-axis? So let's start questions based on that. Find a point on x-axis from where graph of linear equation 2x is equal to 1 minus 5y will pass. So we have one equation, let's write it. 2x is equal to 1 minus 5y. Okay, so if we draw the graph of this equation, where will it pass on the x-axis? That we want to know. Now remember, on the x-axis, if you take any point, y-coordinate will be what? 0. So we can write that point will look something like this. Y-coordinate will be 0 and x-coordinate will be x only. Some values that we want to find. So can we substitute this value and get the value of x? So 2x as it is equal to 1 minus 5 into 0. Now 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. So this is what we will get it. That's the value of x. But we want the point. Remember, this is the coordinate. So point will be what? 1 by 2 comma 0. Y coordinate will be 0, right? So this line will pass on the x-axis through this point 1 by 2 comma 0. Let's do next question. Let's do one more problem related to previous case. Find a point on y-axis from where graph of linear equation x minus 5y is equal to 13 will pass. Previously we discussed that graph is going to intersect x-axis. Now let's talk about the y-axis and where will it intersect, specific point we want to find. So again, let's start with the equation. We have equation as x minus 5y is equal to 13. Now the point is on the y-axis. So which coordinate will be 0? Yes, x. So 0 comma y, right? This will be 0 because point is on the y-axis. Let's substitute. So 0 minus 5y is equal to 13. So minus 5y is equal to 13. This minus 5 will go into denominator. So 13 over minus 5. So y is equal to minus 13 by 5. This negative sign will keep in numerator, right? Nothing else. So let's write the point. This was the coordinate, right? Coordinate y. So 0 for the x and for y minus 13 by 5. So this graph will touch y-axis or intersect at this point 0 comma minus 13 by 5. Let's discuss the next question.